1. If you're searching for the ultimate escape into your audio, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are an absolute game changer you won't want to miss. 2. Their industry-leading noise cancellation is truly unparalleled, transforming chaotic environments like busy commutes or bustling offices into your own serene sound sanctuary. 3. Imagine diving deep into your music or podcast without a single distraction. These premium headphones make that a reality, making them the best noise-canceling headphones available. 4. Worried about power? The incredible 30-hour battery life means you can enjoy uninterrupted listening for days, perfect for long flights or extended work sessions without constant recharging. 5. And for ultimate convenience, the multi-point connection lets you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop, so you never miss a call while working or streaming. 6. These wireless headphones aren't just about features. They deliver an exceptionally comfortable fit and stunning audio fidelity that truly elevates every listening moment. 7. If you're looking for the best electronics investment this year, offering both performance and practical daily use, the XM5s are a top contender. 8. Ready to experience this amazing audio upgrade yourself? 9. Find the best deals and purchase your Sony WH-1000XM5s securely via the Amazon link in the description below. 10. For unparalleled quiet, outstanding sound quality, and superb convenience, these are unequivocally the best headphones you can buy in 2025.